Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Firstrade, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Firstrade, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Firstrade in the address bar. Hit the enter key to navigate to the website. On the Firstrade homepage, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, input your password. Make sure to double-check the email and password for any errors. If you want your credentials saved, select the Keep Me Logged In option. Once your information is entered correctly, press the Login button. You may need to complete a security step, such as two-factor authentication. If prompted, check your email or text messages for a verification. Enter the verification code in the designated field. After entering the code, click on the Submit button. You will be redirected to your Firstrade account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once completed, return to the login page to try again. Now you can successfully access your Firstrade account. Explore your dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. Congratulations, you are now logged into Firstrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.